Here's the Fold, and I will unbox it and tell you my impressions of it. I will take several pictures and videos and show you the quality. Hello, this is Grandma Hates Tech, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. I saw a video by Gadget Goddess on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold and left a comment that I need to get one too. She replied saying, "Go ahead, she would love to see me use one." Well, I recently turned 80 years old and enjoyed a nice ice cream cake. I'm not kidding. I can't get through it, which you can see by clicking the card above my head. I was hoping for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 for my birthday, but it didn't happen. So I purchased the Fold myself, and I will unbox it for you and give you my thoughts.
What a piece of junk!
A lot of you might already have purchased the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3. If you have, let me know what you think of it in the comments. Before I start, I will say that this video is sponsored by Linus Tech Tips. He is helping me to get monetized so I can buy his channel.
Grandma Hates Tech says, how much would it cost if I buy your channel? Hey, how about $1 million? You got $1 million bucks? Let's do it. Let's do it. At me on Twitter.
The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 is definitely a cool phone to have, but at a not so cool price of $2,000. Do you know how much beer I can buy with $2,000? The Galaxy Z Fold3s have incredible picture quality with a 12 megapixel wide angle camera, while the phone offers S Pen support. So if you are in the market for a foldable phone, then the Z Fold3 might be the right phone for you. Here is the Fold, and I will unbox it and tell you my impressions of it. I will take several pictures and videos and show you the quality. Now, here is the charger. And here's the headphones. And this is the camera. It has a nice look to it. It has a sleek design, not too heavy. You can see it opens smoothly and there is no crease. You see? There is no crease and it opens so smoothly. The screen has a nice display. I will take some pictures and video on it. I'm taking pictures of my Fold and selfies of myself. What do you think of these pictures on the Fold? This is a video of my camera. Let me know what you feel about it. What do you think of the video quality? This is another video of my camera. Let me know what you feel about it down below. Right now, I gotta finish my beer. The best thing about this Fold is it is only $40.
You gotta be kidding me, right?
That is not a joke. I put the link down in the description so you can check it out on Amazon.
I'd buy that for $1.
Leave a comment if you prefer the Samsung Z Fold3 or my cheaper alternative for only $40. Think of all the money you can save for buying beer. Should I also do a phone review of the iPhone 13 alternative? Here is a sneak peek of my new phone. What do you think of it? Let me know if you would like to see a video on this. It costs $10 more at $50. I am also just looking at my YouTube channel, and I still don't have many subscribers. Would you please subscribe to my channel, as I really look forward to creating more videos for you? Don't go just yet. I have these other videos that I made just for you, so please check them out. Watching my videos and subscribing really helps me out. So please click on either of these videos which I have created just for you. I know you will like and enjoy them.